I want to see some songs and stuff.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Our friends around. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Our friends around. Hey.
Get over there together. You can't be separate or I can't get both of you. All right, now let's see. How about saying Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the whistle high, like a diamond high and good. There's a little star, how I wonder what you are. How about Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
Okay.
Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
Go ahead, Jodi.
Had very shiny nose. If you ever saw it, you say it.
Get over by Cindi, Jodi.
I love the
Cindi, that way, baby, by Jodi. Jodi, over by Cindi, honey. There you go.
If you ever saw it, you would call names.
Anything else you guys like to tell your mama?
Happy Christmas.
Aww. Aww. Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Yeah. Aww.
Happy holidays. Happy holidays.
Whoa, you Power Rangers? Are you a Power Ranger group of kids?
We're Power Rangers.
You are? Go over by Cindi. You guys go together or I can't get you, see? You have to be together.
Whoa. You're dead. You have to be dead. Go.
What does I sound like, Cindi?
What does O sound like?
No, I said I. What does A sound like? What does G sound like?
Good.
What does D sound like?
No.
What does L sound like?
Whoa.
What does S sound like?
Us.
What does C sound like? Very good. Jodi. Hi.
I wanted to open presents.
Oh, you liked your presents for Christmas?
And I did too. Jodi!
She's going in. Merry Christmas. Hi.
Hi.
What you doing in there?
We are you?
You having fun in there?
Yeah, we sure. After you don't want this to come out, can you turn the TV and we can watch it?
I don't know. Daddy's got to do that. I'm not very good at that.
Oh.
Why do you got your baby? Can I ask you a question? Why do you got your baby to sit on in the tub?
Because we're swimming.
You're swimming or are you taking a bath?
Oh, no.
Oh, I see.
Sing off.
You're working? I didn't know that was a swimming pool.
It is.
You girls look like Santa Claus just always saying and you're
I'm Frosty.
Oh, you're Frosty. And what's your name?
My name is Cooker.
Cougar.
I'm Frosty.
Don't No, don't take that off now. Okay.